Hi, this is Jacob with MarketingPlayBook.co, and today we're covering how to create an ad, properly create an ad, I should say, within the AdWords interface. And the video underneath this in the written guide on MarketingPlayBook.co should actually have it, how to create the ad in AdWords Editor, which is primarily what I actually use. So here, we're actually already in our campaign. We are inside our ad group, and once inside that ad group, you're going to go ahead and go to the Ads tab. And then under the Ads tab, you're simply going to hit the drop-down button and say Create a New Ad. So text ad is what we're going to be using. If you're under Display, you could do a display ad, and they do have the option for creating dynamically linked ads, but right now we're just focusing on creating a text ad because that's primarily all you're going to be using on the search end. So what's really nice is once an ad has already been created, you're able to easily duplicate it because AdWords is already going to have the information in there. So in this particular ad group, I have cosmetic dentistry. The keyword is actually cosmetic dentistry or cosmetic dentist. So I'm going to keep on that same theme. And rule of thumb here, as we covered in our best practices guide on creating ads, you want to have at least 2 ads in each ad group starting off just to test things out. So we're going to go ahead and change up this ad a little bit. I already wrote something from our other video, and I'll just include it in here. So cosmetic dentist, restorative, and cosmetic dentist. And we're going to see, because I have the dot here, it's going to carry it up. So when it's in the top ad position, because I'm adding a period at the end, I should say, as covered in the previous video, it could be an exclamation point, a question mark, a period, and because of that, I get it to show up there, which makes a really nice headline. And you can also have your description line too, and as already stated, if you haven't watched the previous video covering best practices for creating ads, I highly suggest you do. That way, we have numerous tips like putting the actual call to action in description 1 to bump it up to make it sound good, and we've got multiple tips on creating the best ad for the ad group to get you the highest quality score. Now, if you wanted to create a third ad, you always could, and that third ad could be more of a mobile-only ad. So I do mobile differently, generally anyways. Usually with my mobile traffic, especially in service-based industries, I set up a call-only campaign. So I actually exclude or limit a lot of my mobile traffic to my regular campaigns. However, if I did want mobile traffic coming into this campaign, I would probably set up a third ad, and that third ad I'd go ahead and put in right here. I'd click this button to make it preferred for somebody searching on the mobile phone. And you go ahead and save that ad, and there you do. You have 2 right there. Now, if you have similar ad groups, because I put each keyword in its separate ad group, so cosmetic dentistry is going to be in cosmetic dentistry. Best cosmetic dentist would be under the best cosmetic dentist ad group. The keyword cosmetic dentist Denver would be under its own ad group, etc., etc. And because I do that, these ads are really similar. So something I can do is I can simply copy these and paste them into the new campaign. So edit, and I can actually copy, and then you can go into a new campaign and go ahead and just paste it in there under that new campaign and then make the slight changes to the ad. It's a really quick way of going in and easily and quickly changing ads around within the AdWords interface. Now, I do want to give a quick shout out here, and that is going to be for the AdWords editor. Now, as mentioned, I use the AdWords editor, and I pretty much put I write all my ads within the AdWords editor just because it's a lot easier to copy and paste and move around and really see what you need to do without using the browser interface. And simply when I'm done, I go ahead and I just post this up, and generally I'm good to go. It's simply that much faster. And that is it for this video.